Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Education Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday afternoon, July 2nd, 2024, and we have a great mix of education headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
The benefits of cash-settled options. Options contracts can settle in two ways, physically or with cash. Cash settlement involves receiving the cash difference between the strike price and market value of the underlying asset. This method reduces risk exposure and increases liquidity, making it easier to enter and exit positions. Cboe Global Markets offers educational resources on options trading, including a guide on index options and cash settlement benefits. Cash-settled options provide a simpler way to trade derivatives without the need for physical delivery of assets. To learn more about these benefits, visit Cboe's Options Institute for valuable insights.
Cork Supply revives cork harvesting events at Cal Poly and UC Davis, launches scholarship program to Portugal. Cork Supply, a leading provider of high-quality corks and closures for the wine industry, recently concluded successful cork harvesting events at Cal Poly and UC Davis. These events aim to educate students on sustainable practices and the importance of cork in the wine industry. Participants had a hands-on experience in cork harvesting, learning about the intricate processes involved. Following the events, Cork Supply launched a scholarship program to send students from 7 countries to Portugal. This initiative aligns with the company's commitment to promoting sustainability and supporting the next generation of wine industry professionals. Cork Supply continues to lead in innovation and technology, providing natural and technical closures for still and sparkling wines.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Education Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.